Hi everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a location to your Facebook page. So the first thing you have to do is just open the Facebook app and go to your Facebook page that you want to set the address for. And right here, as you can see, we have some different options right here. And if I go to this option about, as you can see, we have different information about our page, and right here it says enter your address. We are going to hit on that. And as you can see right here, you can choose the city, and you can choose whatever city you want or whatever city you are located in. Let's say I'm just searching for London. Okay, London, UK, and then you can hit save right here. Of course, it is going to ask you for the zip code, and you have to search that on the internet and update it. And of course, you can type in the street. And if you hit that section right here, map location, you can just scroll right here to the map and search for your location, and then just hit save. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.